So half the swings stayed blue, the other half didn't.
Half the swings where we glued them, stayed.
So that was a great idea. It wasn't so good.
I didn't think it was going to be that strong.
I didn't either, but all it
They just need to slide. He had a knife right here.
You got a knife on you?
I do not.
The excavator is going to take the shell off the truck and send it up the mountain. Snowcat will take some of the VIPs up the mountain. There you go, 62-inch shell. Going to attempt to break the world record tonight here in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, where we've had about 18 inches of snow over the last 2 days.
Yeah, he's like ready for it to all be over, right?
Again, in just a little while, that excavator is going to lift the shell off the truck, take it up the mountainside, and waiting at the top of the mountain is a 26-foot tall steel mortar tube, weighs 7 tons, buried in the mountain. And then tonight, they will attempt to break the world record. So you can watch it Facebook Live tonight, Steamboat Springs Fireworks Facebook page. This thing weighed in at just about 2,800 pounds. It was enough to shatter the previous record if we can get a successful launch tonight. All right. 2,800 pounds, 62-inch shell. Live from Steamboat Springs, Colorado. All right, check out Steamboat Springs Fireworks Facebook tonight to live stream. See you guys later. I'll have lots of pictures coming later.